हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे लास्ट 5 मंथ्स करंट अफेयर्स के टॉप 65 प्लस MCQs। ये करंट अफेयर MCQs आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाले हैं, तो लास्ट तक बने रहें बिना वीडियो को स्किप किए एंड एट लास्ट हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको हमारी वीडियो कैसी लगी। तो बढ़ते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ। द वन रोड वन डे स्कीम हैज़ बीन अप्रूव्ड इन विच स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी? And the correct answer is New Delhi. Second question, who has been awarded the Pen Translation Prize? And the correct answer is Gitanjali Shri. Third question, who has been appointed as the new CEO of the ICC? And the correct answer is Sanjog Gupta. Fourth question, in which state is India's longest railway tunnel constructed? And the correct answer is Uttarakhand. Fifth question, which country will host the Shooting World Cup in 2027? And the correct answer is India. Sixth question, Islampur, recently renamed as Ishwarpur, is located in which state? And the correct answer is Maharashtra. Seventh question, where has the Steel Authority of India opened its first overseas office? And the correct answer is Dubai. Eighth question, who chaired the 196th meeting of the Employees State Insurance Corporation ESIC? And the correct answer is Mansukh Mandavia. Ninth question, where was the first edition of the Rugby Premier League 2025 held, which was won by Chennai Bulls? And the correct answer is Mumbai. 10th question, which edition of the BRICS Summit was recently held in Brazil? And the correct answer is 17th. 11th question, who has become the second Indian to go to space in June 2025 after Rakesh Sharma? And the correct answer is Shubhanshu Shukla. 12th question, which country has appointed Katrina Kaif as its global brand ambassador for tourism? And the correct answer is Maldives. 13th question, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh led the Indian delegation in the SCO meeting held in which country? And the correct answer is China. 14th question, which airline has been rated as the safest full-service airline in the year 2025? And the correct answer is Air New Zealand. 15th question. Who has recently become the first Indian woman to complete NASA's prestigious International Air and Space Program? And the correct answer is Janvi Dangeti. 16th question. NATO Summit 2025 has been organized in which country? And the correct answer is Netherlands. 17th question. Who has recently been appointed as the brand ambassador of Eureka Forbes? And the correct answer is Shraddha Kapoor. 18th question. Which country has recently launched Operation Rising Lion to destroy Iran's nuclear sites and missile factories? And the correct answer is Israel. 19th question. Which country has recently declared a state of emergency on the island of Chios after a wildlife broke out? And the correct answer is Greece. 20th question. Which of the following has become the first Indian brand to have a brand value of over $30 billion? And the correct answer is Tata Group. 21st question. Who recently won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? And the correct answer is Manika Vishwakarma. 22nd question. When was National Space Day 2025 celebrated in India? And the correct answer is 23rd August. 23rd question. Where has PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the Kartavya Bhavan? And the correct answer is New Delhi. 24th question. Who recently won the Best Actor at the 71st National Film Awards 2025? And the correct answer is both option first and option second, that is Shah Rukh Khan and Vikrant Messi. 25th question. Who visited Tokyo to attain the 15th India-Japan Annual Summit 2025? इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है कि किसने टोक्यो विजिट किया था 15वें इंडिया जापान एनुअल समिट 2025 को अटेंड करने के लिए। 26th क्वेश्चन. Where did ISRO launch the HOPE mission for the Gaganyaan program? And the correct answer is Ladakh. 27th question. The 12th edition of the bilateral naval exercise SLANEX 25 has started between the navies of which countries? And the correct answer is India and Sri Lanka. 28th question. Which film won the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards 2025? And the correct answer is 12th Fail. 29 question. Who won the Dada Saheb Palke Award in 2025? And the correct answer is Mohanlal. 30th question. Where did FIFA inaugurate India's first talent academy for women? And the correct answer is Hyderabad. 31st question. What is the rank of India in the Global Innovation Index 2025? And the correct answer is 38th. 32nd question. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? And the correct answer is C.P. Radhakrishnan. 33rd question. Who has been reappointed as the Chairman of Railway Board? And the correct answer is Satish Kumar. 34th question. What is the name of the world's first digital tribal university launched in New Delhi? And the correct answer is Adi Sanskriti. 35th question. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? And the correct answer is TCA Kalyani. 36th question. Which of the following has become the first Indian organization to win 2025 Raman Magsaysay Award? And the correct answer is Foundation to Educate Girls. 37th question. Which is the safest city in India for women according to the recently released National Annual Report and Index on Women's Safety NARI 2025? And the correct answer is Kohima. 38th question. The Badminton World Championships 2026 will be hosted by which country? And the correct answer is New Delhi. 39th question. India defeated which team in Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? And the correct answer is South Korea. 40th question. Which city topped the list of million plus population cities in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2025? And the correct answer is Indore. 41st question. Which US state became the third to declare Diwali as an official state holiday in October 2025? And the correct answer is California. 42nd question. Which country is chairing the 47th Asian Summit 2025? And the correct answer is Malaysia. 43rd question. Which site has been declared as India's first cold desert biosphere reserve and the 13th UNESCO Biosphere Reserve of India? And the correct answer is Spiti Valley. 44th question. In which national park was the female cheetah, Mukhi, the first cheetah born in India to reach adulthood, born? And the correct answer is Kuno National Park. 45th question. Which team won the Irani Cup 2025-26 cricket tournament? And the correct answer is Vidarbha. 46th question. Who assumed charge as the 35th Director General of NCC, National Cadet Corps? And the correct answer is Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. 47th question. In October 2025, which country became the 90th state member of the IUCN? And the correct answer is Tuvalu. 48th question. Which Indian Olympic gold medalist has been selected as the torchbearer for the 2026 Winter Olympics? And the correct answer is Abhinav Bindra. 49th question. What is India's global rank in the 2025 Index of Economic Freedom? And the correct answer is 128th. 50th question. Which city will host the World Seafood Congress 2026 for the first time in India? And the correct answer is Chennai. 51st question. Who has recently been appointed Global Ambassador of the Esports World Cup 2025? And the correct answer is Cristiano Ronaldo. 52nd question. On which date is the International Day of Parliament observed? And the correct answer is 30th June. 53rd question. India has launched an AI-powered Advanced Traffic Management System ATMS for the first time on which expressway? And the correct answer is Dwarka Expressway. 54th question. Which state has been ranked best in the management of national parks and protected areas? And the correct answer is Kerala. 55th question. What rank did India get in the WTTC 2024-25 Top Global Economies list? And the correct answer is 8th. 56th question. India has resumed tourist visas for the citizens of which country after 5 years? And the correct answer is China. 57th question. Between India and which country has the joint military exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025 begun? And the correct answer is Singapore. 58th question. Which city will host the first Indian Open athletics meet? And the correct answer is Patna. 59th question. Which country has recently been declared the world's most food insecure country? And the correct answer is South Sudan. 60th question. The book Rise of the Hitman, written by R. Kaushik, is based on the life of which personality? And the correct answer is Rohit Sharma. 61st question. World Mosquito Day 2025 was recently celebrated on which date? And the correct answer is August 20. 62nd question. India formed a joint working group on maritime cooperation in shipping with which country? And the correct answer is South Arabia. 63rd question. The world's new and unique blood group, CRIB, has been found in a woman from which state? And the correct answer is Karnataka. 64th question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Broadcast Audience Research Council India? And the correct answer is Gaurav Banerjee. And the last 65th question. The AI Impact Summit 2026 will be held in which country? And the correct answer is India.